Lauren Gordon. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon.
Thank you so much. It's so good to see you again.
All the way, Lauren.
Say what? Like, am I showing too much? I'm working this case, not you. I'll get it done. Stay put. Hated it. So stopped doing that. And then I raised 3 kids who are amazing. I said, I want you home at 10 p.m. and not a minute later. Do you hear me, young man?
God, this one's a piece of fucking work. I know. She's a lunatic. Won't even get paid enough for this.
No. I'm trying to make Sarah do this job. Bullshit.
Keep it together. It's fucking hard. It's hard anyway. So what she's saying.
And I decided, now that they're older, to try my hand at acting, which I've always had an interest in.
Hi, Jack. Bye, Jack.
Chandler's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave, but before he left Saudi Arabia, someone offered him $250,000. Told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back to finish the job on his mother.
I've always been into healthy eating and I've always been into healthy eating and living a healthy lifestyle.
Oh, good boy.
Unbelievable, really.
Oh, wow. All right. Is that supposed to make me feel better? Come on.
It's supposed to make you realize that this is unusual. Thankfully, it all worked out.